Sleep, the word we love. But do we get enough of it? Truth is, our sleeping moments define our waking ones. Whoa. So to get more out of your day, you need to get more out of your night. Dramatic pause. Oops, I'm supposed to take a dramatic pause. So let's get deep about sleep. We're revealing the secret recipe for good sleep. Let's start with the lights. Dim the lighting to unwind and lull your mind. Sorry. It's not just the lights inside but outside also. Use thick curtains to block light and fade sound. Here's my favorite part. Comfort. Whether you're a back sleeper, a side sleeper or something in between, pick a mattress and pillows that best suit your sleeping style. And now we just need the right temperature to cozy up. And you can dress the bed to find the perfect... Oh gosh.
Okay, cut. Guys, did she really fall asleep?